now. Well, two Du Bois men were arrested this morning after police say they were intoxicated, shooting weapons and trying to escape from police pursuing them. Around 5:27 this morning, officers from the Clark County Sheriff's Office were called to Beaver Creek housing near Du Bois in reference to a burglary in progress. Officers were notified that the burglars had a pistol and were shooting it around the outside of the home. When a deputy arrived, a gray GMC pickup was trying to leave the area. That pickup crossed a residential backyard, went through the side of another yard before it stopped. The two suspects inside the truck were taken into custody without incident. Tracing back the path of the truck, police found a loaded magazine full of .22 ammo and a Ruger .22 target pistol with a chambered round. Arrested were 33-year-old Rodrigo Figueroa and 31-year-old Rodolfo Camo Estrada, both of Du Bois. Figueroa was charged with use of a deadly weapon, carrying a concealed weapon while under the influence, DUI, destruction of evidence, and felony eluding. He was incarcerated on a $12,500 bond. Camo Estrada was charged with destruction of evidence and resisting an officer. He was incarcerated at a $1,500 bond. Both men posted cash bonds and have bonded out of jail. They're expected back in Clark County Court on April 12th.